Unraveling the mortgage mystery. Is Trump's smoking gun real? In a controversial turn of events, Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook finds herself under investigation for mortgage fraud, a charge that has sparked a heated debate. But here's the twist. Documents reviewed by CNN reveal a similar pattern with Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent and Labor Secretary Lori Chavez-DeRemer. Yet only Cook faces scrutiny. The controversy revolves around the practice of claiming multiple properties as primary residences to secure better mortgage terms. While the mortgage documents may raise questions, all three individuals deny any wrongdoing and present evidence to support their claims. Cook, for instance, has documents suggesting she informed her lender that one property was a vacation home. Enter Federal Housing Finance Agency Director Bill Pulte and Palantir's AI, who have been digging into mortgage records. Their efforts, however, seem to target political opponents, as Pulte has also called for investigations into Democratic figures. In an interview, Pulte emphasized their search for mortgage fraud, but Palantir clarified that their work is in a limited test phase focused on multifamily properties. The case against Cook is particularly intriguing as it involves a Federal Reserve Board governor, a position Trump has sought to influence. Labeling a property as a principal residence can offer benefits like lower mortgage rates or smaller down payments, but only one home can qualify at a time, unless there are valid reasons like relocating for a new job. Intentionally misleading the lender is a serious offense. CNN's review of publicly available county documents reveals that Cook took out two mortgages in close succession in 2021. The mortgages contain standard language requiring the borrower to promise to live in the home as a principal residence for at least a year. This language is common in conventional mortgages developed by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Pulte has seized on this language to accuse Cook of fraud, leading to her firing by Trump. Cook has fought back in court, and after a temporary reinstatement, the administration has appealed to the Supreme Court. The cases of Bessent, Chavez-DeRemer, and Cook highlight the complexity of the situation, as the public record offers only a partial view. In 2007, Bessent took out two mortgages on the same day for vacation homes in Massachusetts and New York, each over $10 million. The county mortgage documents state that the homes would be primary residences, but Bessent had the same lender, Bank of America, for both loans. Representatives for Bessent provided a statement from Bank of America stating they were aware the homes would be secondary residences and the interest rates would not have changed. CNN also viewed non-public documents suggesting Bank of America knew Bessent's homes would be secondary residences. For Cook's Atlanta condo, an unofficial loan estimate first reported by Reuters and viewed by CNN shows that her lender may have known the home was a secondary property. In May 2021, a document from Cook's mortgage lender listed the property as a vacation home. Patrick Delahunty, a former federal prosecutor, emphasized the importance of considering what the lender knew in determining fraud. He explained that a primary residence is a SOFR loan for the bank, and if they knew the property was a secondary residence, they could assess the risk and offer appropriate interest rates. Pulte argued that the loan estimate document doesn't clear Cook, believing it shows intent to defraud. Cook's attorneys, however, stated that the government was disregarding publicly reported facts that refute the allegations. Chavez-DeRemer's case is similar. With two loans in 2021, including a clause stating the homes were principal residences. Her spokesperson explained that the couple refinanced their Oregon home, then purchased a home in Arizona, intending to make it their primary residence. However, Chavez-DeRemer's plans changed when she was called to run for Congress in Oregon. Delahunty noted that a change in employment situation leading to a change in primary residence can be permissible under the law. In a mortgage fraud case, the government must prove the statement was false. The individual knew it was false, and they intended to deceive. Mistakes, he emphasized, are not crimes. The spokesperson for Chavez-DeRemer called the mortgages a non-story, stating they followed the law and complied with ethical obligations. The White House spokesperson Taylor Rogers echoed this, saying Trump's cabinet officials fully complied with the law. Like Bessent and Chavez-DeRemer, Cook may have valid explanations that cannot be found through a simple county database search. The Trump administration has not filed a formal criminal complaint against Cook, so any hard evidence of her intent to commit mortgage fraud remains undisclosed. And this is the part most people miss: the complexity of these cases and the potential for differing interpretations. Is Trump's smoking gun real, or is this a politically motivated witch hunt? The evidence seems to be a matter of perspective. What do you think? Is there more to this story than meets the eye?